Okay, one of the things that I'm always terrified about when opening like packages like pillows, blankets, is cutting into the material. So I'm just going to talk to you today about one thing, what not to do with these pillows, and the other on the proper way to open it. Uh, do not use a knife to open it. It's not necessary. In this first example, I'm cutting through the plastic. I'm trying to be careful to open up the pillow without cutting into it. I was unsuccessful. I did end up opening up the pillow. The plastic is can be unrolled. You just have to kind of use a little muscle to pull it off. You don't need a knife to do it. So the second one, I did the right way. I just kind of pulled the plastic open, and then I did use a knife to open the pillow once I was able to get it unrolled. And they're really flat when you first get them. I was a little worried.
Thank you for your assistance.
But it did puff up pretty nicely after a while, after I floofed it. The pillows aren't super firm. They go into the pillowcase fairly easy. We have been sleeping in them for a couple of nights, and if you like a pillow that's not super firm, these are a good option for you. This is what the bed looks like fully made. Remember to stay curious and stay connected.